back to my channel, guys. Today's video is a very terrible and sad one. Fire outbreak happened today in Marseille City in France 5 this morning, and 3 of our Nigeria brothers lost their lives and a lot were injured, and the baby got burnt, the mother got burnt, guys. And direct, and I was able to talk to some of the occupants of the building. Guys, just stay tuned and watch the video, guys. So this is one of our how they mobilized to help. They work for Mercy the World, Mercy the Monde. Thanks for the work. So she did here since morning to try to see how they will help our Nigerians. Madam, can you tell us your name, please?
My name is Grace. I'm a social worker. So, Mr. President, the President of Nigeria Commission called me this morning. So immediately I contact my boss to come in the name of where I work. So it is a big loss. 4 of our brothers lost. Not only they die in a painful way, they jump to escape for their life. I pray that the justice,
they find justice.
Let them be justice for what happened. I know what really happened, because this thing is a criminal case. It's not just fire. Someone put it deliberately. So it's very, very bad. Very, very bad. Very, very bad for the parents and for the family, for the great loss. And may their soul rest in peace. And those ones that have family, may God continue to guide their family.
Okay, the people that lost their life, I think taking them to the mortuary.
Yes.
Like how many people died? How many people died today? 4 people.
Yes.
Okay. What about the mothers with children? Where did they leave this house? How they want to do them? The children, the mothers, where did they live for this building? How they can't do them now?
The mother, the children, we start evacuating them. School year, primary school. So first is for the mother and the children. Later, the men or the single men. First is for, they already have a place for the women first. So later we see for the other people.
But I say there's mayor of Marseille there around. Is the mayor still around?
Yes,
or you have gone?
Yes, I spoke with him this morning. So they told me that they are going to look for dinner for everybody. I hope that everybody will not go, because they still have a place that people can stay together. So
and I don't know the house now. They will come this building. I not say they would. I think they will lock up this building now. Nobody can live here again. Where I'm seeing it.
But you know, when something like this happens, the first thing you call the light, call the water. When there is no light and water, meaning that they will declare it entirely. Meaning that no one can live there because there is no water, there is no light. So for now, with the information they gave me now, they are not going to lock all the roads. I hope they will not lock all the roads, because people really need them. Because in hotel they cannot cook. In this place now they can cook. They can do a lot of things that they cannot do in hotel. So for now, it's only the building that bombed they will lock. But for me, let's see.
Okay. So I hope everything will be okay for the rest. For the people that lost their family, how can they identify them? Are they the one that got burnt, or they just jumped from the floor, from the story building? Those people that died, did they jump from the story building, or they got burnt?
3. I saw 3. The rest I don't know. I heard that the man, I'm not sure. Then later in the day, the information will be more clear. But now everything is not clear.
What I'm seeing now, I don't know, there are people in the building that are still inside that are the fire, that got burnt, or I don't know.
No. There's no cops again.
No cops again.
They have already took all the cops to mortuary. For now, no cops.
So it's a very great loss to Nigerians living in Marseille City in France. This kind of thing has never happened before. It's the first time it's happening in Marseille. So we have to be very prayerful. And to put them in prayers. The family that lost their children, imagine 4 people have died now. The family that lost their people, you have to put them in prayers, and we pray kind of thing will not repeat itself again. And we really need justice. If it's an ordinary fire, but this, where I'm seeing things now, the fire is not ordinary. It's criminal issue. So thank you very much, madam, and thanks for your efforts for always being there for Nigerians, for always standing with them to find solutions for what they can do. May God bless you and reward your good work, your humanitarian work. May God reward you, man. Thank you very much. So you heard everything that happened. You heard is something like a criminal case, something like criminal issue, because the fire was not caused by it's not ordinarily anyway. What they are saying, there's people that some people that put the fire in the building, and it's a very sad one because we lost 4 Nigerians now. Imagine they jumped from floor, jumped down. It's a very terrible situation. I want one of my brother that is here today with us. This is my brother, one of the first people that put the video on live was my brother. So I would like you to say something to us to what you witnessed. What you witnessed? I would like to say something to us, please. What did you witness today?
Good day, everyone watching. It's a very tragic incident happened this morning. So the fire outbreak and so the fire outbreak. So because of that, people were trying to jump from 7-story building, and the fire was so much that it was
from how many
firebox. No, it's about 10th floor, and the lift is not working. So people were trying to come down. I was lucky that I was in the 1st floor, so I was able to come out on time with my family.
And you were in the building?
Yeah, I came out on time. So I saw people let the guy jump down from upstairs, and the guy broke his leg and all that. So other people were hanging, so I was shouting, please don't jump. If you can watch this, I was shouting, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. But people were still jumping, and we lost 3 of our people. I got the pictures and all that. So
what about, is anybody injured? Anybody that injured?
A lot of people injured. A lady was burnt. Her body was burnt. His child, hoping the child will survive. Just hoping the child will survive. But by God's grace, we are cool and calm. We thank God for everything. Every day is a good day. Even though there's a bad day, we thank God for everything. You know. We appreciate God for everything.
So do you think the fire incident is just ordinary? Or I don't really understand.
I can't really tell if it's a deliberate act or electrical work. I don't really know. I can't say anything for now. If it's a deliberate act or electrical work, because some persons won't conduct. Some persons want to work in their house. You don't just go and fix electrical without people knowing. You can just bridge something. You can build an electrical bridge. So people are saying, it can be an electrical bridge.
Electrical bridge?
It can be. I'm not saying it
okay,
can
yeah,
be.
you don't really know.
You don't really know. Fire outbreak. Some people they are careless. Some people can smoke and drop cigarettes anyhow. It can cause fire outbreak. Some people will cook without offering your life. It's a fire outbreak. So we don't actually know what happened, but we thank God that.
Where did the fire started from? Was it from the down floor or from the upstairs?
From the up floor.
From the up floor.
From the up floor. From the up floor. So we don't really know if it's a I don't. It will be for me. It will be a wrong thing for I believe somebody will just put fire on the spectrum. It's a fire outbreak from electrical fault. That's what I think. Well, thank God we are cool and calm. Everybody's okay.
Are they trying to place everybody that are living here in
yeah. If you look over there on the other side, you see the social. They are giving out those that have families temporary accommodation for them and all that. So we bless God and we're good to go.
Okay, thank you very much. God bless you, brother. God bless you.
Then I saw people flying from window. I saw the 2 boys that came from here. I saw 2 of them. Yes. So after everything, so I break this window there. I'm one that break that window. From 7. From 7, I moved from 7 to 6. From 6, I moved from 6 to 5 again. From 5, and I hook up there.
And your hand?
That's why I injure my hand, injure my head, injure my leg, everywhere in my body. I'm here. Every part of body, I'm feeling pain. What happened today? But no matter what happened today, I've been living here for the past 2 years and 6 months. I know the condition and the situation of this place. The fire that break out today is not from Nigeria, it's from Electric, it's from Sarah Boys that sent from here. Because we have been living here, no fire have break out in this place. The fire from down for floor 3 or floor 2.
It's from down.
Yeah.
From the
Troisième étage. Parce qu'il habite à cet étage.
C'était dans les étages, mais vous dites que c'est parti du deuxième ou du troisième étage?
À partir du troisième étage là-bas.
Et ça a remonté dans la cage d'escalier.
Voilà.
And nobody can run down.
Nobody can run down. After they put the fire, they don't affect the up here.
You know, affect how many floor?
They affect the floor over there. They affect the lost because I tried to come out from the step because I need to smoke. I take the best practice to cover myself to run back again. No way. Everything was fire. People was jumping.
Yeah, you told me that you have seen people jumping.
Yes, some people jumping. The people that died here, I saw there. There's one of my friends living together in class 7.
He died.
He died here. The one that jumped here. We live together.
You are shocked at this moment.
I live here for the past 2 years and 6 months. J'ai habité ici, ça fait 2 ans, 6 mois. Je parle français, mon ami. Je parle français. J'ai fait 4 ans et demi.
J'imagine que vous êtes sous le choc de ce qui s'est passé là ce matin.
Il est vraiment choqué maintenant. Il ne peut pas te parler beaucoup comme ça. Il est vraiment énervé contre les Arabes. C'est lui qui a mis les faits ici.
Selon
C'est
vous,
pas les Nigériens qui a mis les faits.
selon vous, c'est un fait qui
L'été
a
a
été mis
commencé à 5h
volontairement.
du matin. À 5h.
5 a.m.
Selon vous, c'est quoi les raisons du départ du feu? C'est quelqu'un qui aurait mis le feu?
C'est quelqu'un qui a mis les faits. C'est quelqu'un qui a mis les faits. C'est les gens qui vendent les drogues ici qui a mis les faits. On ne sait pas les gens qui vendent les drogues ici qui a mis. C'est les gens qui vont ailleurs. C'est lui qui est venu ce matin avec les voitures. Parce que les gens qui vont ici ne peuvent pas mettre la drogue. Ils ne peuvent pas mettre les faits. Il y a des gens qui sont venus pour mettre les faits. J'ai compris maintenant. Donc moi je suis fatigué, le gars ici blessé. Moi il n'y a pas papier, il n'y a pas l'argent est brûlé. Il n'y a rien. Ici comme ça.
You don't see blood on your you don't see blood on
Everything,
your
even my
t-shirt.
body, my leg, all my body. Everything. Look at my hand here. Look at everything.
To rescue people that are come, do you rescue anybody
I
today?
take one baby.
Oh, baby.
I take one baby. But I later gave it to the mother again. Because I can't jump. I can't jump with the baby. I can't throw the baby. That is why I take, woman, take your baby again. But the other boy, he was trying to jump. I said, brother, wait. Poppy is coming. The moment I saw Pompey,
Your mic came down.
My mic came down. I did not pass there.
How do you
I'm the last person that came back from here. The last person that
How do you escape from the building? So the firemen helped you to get out?
Yeah, I'm the last person that came out. I'm the last person that came out here.
Did the ambulance help you
fire
to come
brigade,
down?
they told me to stay calm, say I'm safe. I said, okay, no problem. The moment I saw the pompier, I said, okay, everybody's safe. You understand? I was here looking at them.
You were scary at this moment?
I'm scared, but people lost life. People lost their life. I'm scared. I can't. Person I saw yesterday, he died this morning. What can I say? People is crying. Most of them came here because they have family. It's their brother. So you can't just expect somebody that lost his brother to be silent. You understand? So, quelque chose qui arrive ici. Vraiment, moi, il y a ici, ça fait 2 ans et demi. Bon, il y a des gens qui viennent avec pistolet. Il y a des gens qui viennent avec couteau. Il y a des gens qui viennent venir la nuit. Tu tapes la porte, tu dis, donne-moi l'argent, donne-moi les sous. Bon, si tu n'as pas les sous, souvent ils te frappent. Ça, c'est le problème. Bon, nous, les Africains, nous, les Blacks, je pense que les Arabes, ils ne sont pas nous. Ils regardent comme des chiens, quoi.
Brother,
c'est le problème.
Brother, from the upstairs, from the other floor, but smoke no enter, didn't enter inside the buildings.
My room, 7th floor, my room burn.
Your own, but how much is the smoke? The thing the smoke not going enter inside the poor house because now ambulance can't rescue them exactly. Pompier not can rescue them. They put ladder.
Yeah,
they put ladder for the window.
Yeah,
okay.
Rescue everybody, the people that remain.
People will remain inside the building.
Yeah, because the smoke was too heavy. The smoke, you can't see anybody. You can't see anybody. You can't see anybody. You cannot see anybody. Even the step. You can't see the step because I was trying to look like this. When I closed my eye, I was trying to look like this. That's why I use my head to knock the wall.
Okay.
You understand? So,
but those people that died, they took them to the mortuary. How many people lost their life?
3 people. There's one there lost in life there. Or 2 years lost their life.
But this blood, I can see the blood that is there. This lady lost her brother. This lady lost her brother. Can you talk say a little something, please? Just say this side.
So,
if you talk something. Good afternoon, my sister. You tell me say you lost your brother today.
Yes. One of the guys who lost this one of the guys.
Okay, what happened? What really happened?
I don't know what happened. They just come up.
Okay, no, they stay for this building.
You can see the blood there. You can video the blood.
I stay for 5 days. They don't call me this morning.
Come and video the blood.
If from up jump, come down.
From here up, jump.
Can I bother from up jump?
No, you need to be down.
Can I window be this way open so?
Head stay hit that block.
I could use head hit this block when you day here.
This block, yes.
Hi. Okay. And the brother, you get children?
Yes, you get 2 children.
You get 2 children and wife. Where they dey for this building?
No, they didn't.
They dey miss. So how you want to then your 19th you dey carry go now? How you?
Police say no come me there for police station. By 1 o'clock.
By 1 o'clock?
Yes.
Okay, your family don't here for Nigeria. Police me you come.
Yes, I want rush go keep her.
Where are they riding there?
The police.
With me come around 1 o'clock, then your brother and I die so. My sister, take heart, eh? May God strengthen the children and the family, okay? God will strengthen you, my sister, though. See the block where the body, you see blood everywhere, you see? See blood everywhere. The boy, the boy for dying, you see? Don't use head, knock this block. Very terrible situation. Terrible. People they cry for that. Some people they cry for that side. Some people they cry for that side. See the block where the boy use head take knock. You see him?
Oh God.
So this block come from up fall like this. Can't take head take knock block. You see him?
Oh God.
My people. A terrible situation, eh? A really terrible and a sad day in Marseille City. Our Nigerian brothers, you can hear. Our Nigerian brothers.
Who jumped from there?
This one.
Who jump?
Same guy for jump.
Who jump?
You get luck, eh? But here, the dam, now we dey here.
You jump.
They where fire.
You jump. Eh?
Before I don't come
Now our ground, the fire catch. Don't do now.
Who jump for floor 2? Who?
See, I jump from here. They don't
Who jump this bus? You won't talk to camera, brother. Talk to camera to say more notes. Your view now. Most stand somewhere here. Come on, mask. You for 2 jump, come down. But you know wounds. They don't treat you. You sure not get internal wounds. I better try me you relax, okay? Me you relax yourself. This is bros from floor 2 jump. My God. This kind of this place before. And the first time they happen for this area. My people, the terrible situation, no. People will just die. Now imagine that woman tell him to say his brother died. Brother just died. From 2nd floor, from 7th floor jump. Now the brother say die. May God help our people, help our family, eh? God help our people. Situation in my reach to verse now. Reach to verse. Reach to verse. See, and police see the police they do.
What's going on?
People are angry with the police people.
Don't lose many Nigeria because of that. If they are common dog,
Hey, now.
if you go, how many my God,
My people, one situation where they happen for Marseille for area 14 from alone. So this long building, now they don't cut light for the building, they don't come out water for the building. So now people need to evacuate the building. See, now the building be this. So from flood, they jump under, look at the building, high reach. Because with fear, they fear, people they fear. They fear, so they fear that they want to rescue their lives. So they only from up, they jump. So they from up, they jump. So thank God, and so 3 people now lost their life, and some were injured, or they dead their body, but they broke their leg and their hand. They carried them go hospital. And this school way there, this one on school. Now school the opposite, so they come pack them. They pack some people, they go this school. Some women and children, they carry them go this school. They carry some people go keep them first before they will find where they will carry them go. Mothers and children don't carry them come here. They put them here to rescue them for the meantime before they go know what they go do later in the day. So my people, so thank you all for watching. May God continue to guide Nigerians living around the world. May God guide and protect them. And I pray that those that lost their family, may God give them the heart to bear the loss. It's a very sad day in the city of Marseille today. It's a very sad situation. This kind of thing has never happened in Marseille before. And the fire outbreak was terrible. It's a terrible situation. It's a terrible day today in Marseille city. Please, put the family that lost their people, put them in prayers. Don't forget to put them in your prayers. May God console them. The wife, the lady that lost the husband from Nice, she lived in Nice, but the husband lived here in Marseille. The husband jumped from 7th floor and he died. He hit his head on the I showed you the stone that was there. He hit his head and the guy died. Immediately he died. So may God console the family and may God heal all the wounds. And those that have those that fire God won't make, I pray that they should have quick recovery. I pray God to recover them. They should have quick recovery. May God heal them. May God heal them. Oh, my people, Mona, they pray for Nigeria so they Marcel. So, thank you guys for watching from eBless TV. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for following this my page, eBless TV. May God bless you all. That's all for today. I would like to end this live video here. May God bless everyone. May God bless Nigerians. May God bless this country we are living in. And may God bless everybody around the world. And to those that lost their family, may God strengthen them. And I pray this kind of situation will not happen again. So thank you all for watching. May God bless you. From eBless TV, guys. Okay then.